Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this goth outfit and dress them pros for free without VIP. Okay guys, for the hairstyles, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it black. And then you're going to choose the bandage as well and choose the XX face. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to wear this corset. Okay, and for the first selection, I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to apply this pattern for the second selection, and for the third selection, I'm going to make it white. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and select this mesh. Okay, just leave it like that, and I'm going to choose this one as well, and I'm going to make it thick. And for the toggle, I'm going to select the toggle 2. Okay, and I'm going to wear this one as well, and I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the boots area and select this one and also this one. Okay, we're going to combine two boots. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to wear items from the Valentine's update, this one, and for the color, I'm going to make it black. Okay, it will create something like this, and we're going to go to the skirt area. Select the skirt and apply this pattern, this one. Okay, and I'm going to add this belt as well. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area. It's right here, and then I'm going to apply this choker. Okay, and I'm going to wear this back and apply this pattern, and then I'm going to go to the accessories and select this one. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create goth outfit and dress them press for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.